Would you like Walmart sending you checks every single month? Well, I'm gonna show you how you can start earning money and get paid by Walmart to post links of their products around the internet. Let's go. Hey folks, John Crestani here, and I've earned over $20 million at this point doing what's called affiliate marketing, which is where I post links to companies' products and they pay me a commission if somebody buys a product after clicking on my link. Now, this is called affiliate marketing, and Walmart has what's called an affiliate program, meaning they will pay you money to link to their products. Now, if you've ever come across a book or any sort of product that might be purchased in Walmart, you could earn a commission by signing up for their affiliate program and sending that link to a friend. There's lots of people doing this around the world, earning millions of dollars. I don't have any employees for years, and I was earning millions of dollars per year using this business model. Now, in order to get started with Walmart's affiliate program, you need to know a few things. First off, even though Walmart is based in America, most countries are accepted. So you can be in France, you can be in Spain, you can be in various other countries around the world. Most of the countries, you can still sign up for Walmart's affiliate program, so you can get your special links, which are called your affiliate links, or your promotional links, and post them around the internet to get people buying stuff on Walmart. You also need a few other things. You need a bank account for you to get payments sent to. You need an address in the case you want checks being sent to your address. And you need a website. Walmart does require a website to allow you to be an affiliate. Now, in the links in the description, I have a special link for you to sign up for a website with my partner and get a free domain, which means usually you have to pay for the servers, which is the computer space that actually shows everybody on the internet your website. And these servers are kept in big rooms, in warehouses around the world. So you have to pay for that time monthly, and then you also have to pay for the actual domain name, which is, for instance, johncrestani.com, that real estate. Now, you're gonna get, when you sign up using my link in the description, you're gonna get that real estate, that virtual internet real estate for free, as long as you just pay your monthly hosting bill. So it's a really good deal, $3.95 a month. You can learn more by clicking the link in the description. So here I am on Walmart's affiliate website. It's affiliates.walmart.com, and or you could just Google search Walmart affiliate program, and you'll come to a site like this. And as you see, it takes up to 24 hours to get approved. You can become a member right here, and you just click this big orange button and sign up. Now, when you get to the sign up form, and I'm gonna help walk you through this, you're gonna have to enter in, obviously a bunch of personal information. Your website will be your domain. Now, where you might get stuck on signing up for Walmart's affiliate program is the promotional methods area, especially if you're just beginning out doing affiliate marketing and you don't know what your promotional method is yet. The best thing to select is just selecting social media influencer, social media /influencer, because that applies very broadly to whether you might be sharing links on Facebook or TikTok or Instagram or Pinterest or Twitter, or whatever you might be doing to market Walmart's products. So I would just select social media influencer, and if you need to select a secondary method, just select content, because again, that's a very broadly applicable way of promoting. Now, in order to know step-by-step how to promote, I encourage you to check out some of the other videos on my channel, especially the free traffic methods playlist, which I'll link to somewhere in the cards or whatnot up above, and also in the description. I have a lot of videos showing specific step-by-step ways to posting affiliate links on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Google, YouTube, etc., that are effective and make people money. And I've helped thousands and thousands of folks earn money. And I personally run an affiliate program and have paid out over $2.5 million to our affiliates over the last 2 years for promoting our products. And if you want to sign up for my affiliate program and promote my product, you can earn $500 by referring people to my products, and you can learn more about that by checking out the free traffic methods playlist. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new in this video. I hope and encourage you to sign up for as many affiliate programs as possible, because that is a great way that you don't have to spend any money and you can learn about affiliate marketing just from seeing what affiliates are doing and what resources they give you. And make sure you sign up for a website. You'll need a website to apply to a lot of affiliate programs and get links that you can post and earn money from. So that link is in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to subscribe as well. I have regular content on how you can earn money working from home, working from your computer, and impacting the local community. I also have software. We pay out people. As I said, I've paid out over $2.5 million for people who have been working with us as affiliates. And you can sign up for Marketing Tech, my software, completely for free, and start promoting our products and services to local businesses around your area as well. So there's multiple ways you can earn money working with me and my companies, and I look forward to having you as an affiliate for my products as well and helping you earn lots of money. And that website, once again, is marketingtech.io, and again, that link is in the description. Looking forward to working with you. Have a great day.